Hello friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we've got this Flexi Hose to share with you. Bought this for my garden. I'm so excited. I love an expandable hose and very excited for this one. Let's see what's inside and then I'm going to demonstrate it outside in my garden, test it out and see how it works. So this one does come with a nozzle that's got lots of good little spray options. It does have the option to lock. This is an all plastic nozzle except for the little couple metal parts, but very comfortable to use and hold in your hand. You've got your two attachments. This comes in various lengths, so you can find the length that works great for you. You've got your one that is going to go attached to the house, to your water spigot, and this is going to attach to your sprayer. It does come with extra washers, so if the end of a season, you need to add it on, you totally can. And then on these hoses, you want to, when it's expanding, you want it to be out, and when you want it to kind of deflate, then you just put it down and it'll kind of like let that pressure out, which is good. Now, one thing about these hoses that is so good is that they do not kink. So if you have had a traditional hose and you're going and it gets, that bent up thing, guess what? These don't get bent up and kink, which is amazing. Like, it's so stretchy. When the water gets in there and fills it up, it is just so nice and sturdy. And this has multi-layer, so it's going to be so strong and last me for a long time. Let's go test this out in the yard.
So when you get your hose, it is going to look small, but when you add the water, watch what happens. It grows so fast. It's actually super satisfying to watch. And then you are good to go. The nozzle that comes with this is great. It's very comfortable, easy to use. And you've got your little valve here to open and close to help relieve pressure. Lots of different options on the nozzle to choose how you like to spray. And then once you're done, watch what happens. It's so fun and it just shrinks right up to its tiny size again. Look at this. It's so fun. Now, if you get a really long one, I only have the 25-foot one here, but if you have a really long one, like a 100-foot one, watch out because it does shrink in. And so if you have it pulled out across the yard, it might get caught on stuff. So just be aware of that. The nozzle works great. The hose is so lightweight and easy to carry around the garden. It's not heavy. It's so durable, and these really do last. I've had such great success. And they're lightweight, so as you pull them up, you can put it on your hose reel, your hook, or be lazy like me and just leave it in a pile. I hope you enjoy your Flexi Hose as much as I have.